This 1080p video shows how to add shortcuts to the desktop of your Linux Firefox browser. Open Firefox, which comes standard with Linux Mint. Press Windows key and left arrow to move Firefox browser to the left half of the screen. Go down and click on the pencil. Where it says one row, click on the drop-down arrow and select two or more rows. Click on Manage More Settings. I unticked everything except shortcuts. Open another browser which has video channels you want to save on your Firefox home screen. Press Windows key and right arrow to move the other browser to the right of screen to make URL transfer easier. I will now show how to copy a YouTube channel to the Firefox home screen. In Firefox, click on the plus Add Shortcut icon. Enter the name of the YouTube channel and copy the URL from the other browser to Firefox and press Add. I will now show how to copy a YouTube video to the Firefox home screen. Again, in Firefox, click on the plus Add Shortcut icon. Enter the name of the video and copy the URL from the other browser to Firefox and press Add. As you can see, everything is so easy to do in Linux, and all without annoying ads. Look in description below for YouTube links to other video tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your Linux friends. And subscribe to be notified of future Linux Mint 1080 tutorials.